Hi, my name is Julián Osorio. The warehouse manager is going to organize the space to make Wednesday the end of the month inventory. Jorge is going to read one of the code of measurements. Daniel is going to store the nail produce a condition to is the of experience. The warehouse manager with the accountant assistant will go to on the counting or verification of the product. Finally, all of the warehouse employees and your to live each session ready for delivery. In the store, the dictionary reference on product. In the first shelves of the warehouse, the annual food. Then are food reference of milk in the store. There is no air but of section. In the store there are 15 boats of meat of production. Thank you.